Hello everyone, it's been a while again since I uploaded, but yeah, I just decided to vlog today. I am going to my training class today. I have my phone on charge, that's why when I hit the charger, the phone was a bit wobbly. But anyway, I just wanted to show you the beauty loop bag or the box, not bag. What am I saying? I'm just trying to locate this properly. There we go, back. Okay, this looks okay. So I got my level 3 beauty loop bag by Mecca. So I got the beauty loop box. This is a level 3. Yes, I have been spending a lot, but my sister also puts her points underneath mine as well. So that's why I'm level 3. Anyway, so I have opened this box because it has been a week, I think, since I got it. I just ordered this eye primer. I'll show you, it's just right in front of me. This one here, the NARS Tinted Smudge Proof Eyeshadow Base, because I was using the MAC Paint Pot in Painterly, then I finished that, and then now I was using the Soft Ochre, but I realized it does crease on me sometimes. I work like 10-hour days sometimes, and I felt like, I don't know what's happening to it. It never used to crease on me, and then it started creasing. I heard this one's very good for oily eyelids, and like, I am not even an oily skin person, but I do have this Benefit highlighter on, so if that's what makes me look a bit oily, that's the reason why. Okay, so yeah, I have been using this, and I can say I actually really love it. And I've also bought the Bieber palette as well. I know I haven't updated you guys on it. It is in the box still, but I've used it quite a lot of times now. I really love it. I don't know if I should go like this because someone did it in their video, and I think the black shade fell or something. It's because you can remove these. Like, I'll show you now. On the back of them, I think you put like a pin or something on it, and then you can remove them and then put them into like a single Z palette or something that you have. It's a really nice palette. I did want to get the neutral palette because I know if I get a colourful palette, I'm probably just going to be using like 2 shades in there. I need the neutral shades. Okay, so I was talking about the box. So I got this box over here, and let's get into it. Okay, there was a slip on what you get as well, but it seems like I threw that one out. Okay, so the first thing in here is the Humeyra Deep Cleansing Mask. It's in a small pot like this. I'll open it up. I actually haven't opened this one up. That's what it looks like. It's a small little bottle. Oh, I actually want to try this. I think this is like one of a high-end brand. And that's what it looks like. I know it looks half empty, but that's probably because it was on an angle or something. Anyway, so that's that one. I do want to try it, and then if I really like it, it'll probably be in my favorites video or something. Then also there is this NARS lipstick. I have tried this one. I've opened it up too. And this is what it looks like. It's a mini size, but like usually with lipstick, I don't even think I'll get through the whole thing of this one. It's 1.6 grams, and it's a satin lipstick. That's what it looks like. It's a pretty colour, like a dark neutral. I am a MAC NC15 for reference, so I do have light skin. Then another thing that's in there is this Hourglass mascara. I haven't opened this up, but I did see it in the box. It's the Caution Extreme Lash Mascara. I'm going to say it's the shade Ultra Black. And it looks like their foundation bottle stuff. Oh my god, I can't take that. I don't want to open it because I've got heaps of mascaras that are open right now. I thought I put highlighter here. It just looks a bit weird, but okay, I'll put that there. Then I have received the Sunday Riley Good Genes Lactic Acid Treatment, and it is like this. It's a small size, 5 mils. Obviously, these are all sample sizes. So basically, that was what I got in my level 3 box. I would not spend so much money to get the level 3 box because it wouldn't be worth it. But it's a nice like addition that they have. My table is a mess, so I'm not going to be showing you that. Also, Where is this thing? I received this thing from a company before. I haven't even tried it. Oh my god, if I can get it out. Oh, maybe I didn't put it there. No. I don't know where I put it. It was like this cleansing set. I wanted to try it, but I wanted to show you guys first and then try it, but right now I don't have it. Oh, maybe I put it in here. No. Okay, when I find it, hopefully I'll show you, and then I think I'll try it too. So yeah, if you're wondering how my cat is, she is really good. She would have followed me, but oh god, I hope you can't see the mess. Well, my messy is probably not everyone's messy, but she was sleeping. Yeah, she's still sleeping. I'm just gonna throw this out and then I'll show you her. Let's go. Evie, Evie, Evie. Say hi, Mommy. Oh, you cute one. Can they see you? She's so cute. Anyway, that is the end of the video. Hopefully you all enjoyed it, and if you did, give it a thumbs up because it really means a lot to me. I don't get paid by YouTube or anything because I don't have enough subscribers and enough watch time. But yeah, I just do like uploading sometimes, and whenever I feel like it, I do it because I don't know, sometimes I don't feel like doing it, or I just feel like I like not even watched, so I feel a bit weird, so sometimes that's why I don't really vlog. But overall, if you do like it, please like my video and also comment down below that you're watching my video, maybe like what's your name and stuff, so I can talk to you down below. So thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all enjoy this video again. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye everyone. Say bye. She's my kitty.